Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my new video. Here I'm gonna tell you a thing. When some websites detect the Selenium code, so what we gonna do in that situation? So we can't do our automation stuff in that. So even some websites detect this undetectable Chrome driver also. So for example, I have this site bet365. So let me run this file. Uh, okay, browser open. Now you can see my code. I used undetectable browser here to browse this site. Okay, it's taking long. So you can see this website redirecting me to this verification page, and it failed. If I manually do click here, still it redirecting me to the same verification page. Okay, so let's close this, and here I have the solution. In that condition where a website detect our Selenium or our Chrome driver, then we need to use a debug browser. So I have the code for my debug browser, and I already opened a debug browser here. So if you guys don't know how to open debug browser, visit my playlist, and there you can see a video in which I told how to open a debug browser, and I also shared the code in that video description. Okay, let's run this file. So for first, what we're gonna do first, we need to browse site manually and just press enter here. Okay, let's browse this site manually in this debug browser. Website is bet365. Okay, so you can see this. It is loading its stuff, and it's loaded without any error or any verification. Okay, let's just press enter here. So script connected to the browser, and you can see the Selenium interacting with this page without any error or without any detecting. So you can do your automation stuff where you get stuck by verification even when you use this undetectable browser. So you can easily use the debug browser method, and you can do your automation stuff. Okay, thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next video soon.